Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic New York deli mac and potato salad. First, gather your ingredients: cooked elbow macaroni, boiled potatoes, and a few fresh vegetables. We'll then prepare a tangy, creamy dressing that brings everything together. Finally, we'll combine and chill the salad to let those delicious flavors meld. This easy recipe delivers a beloved deli classic with minimal fuss. Let's get our main ingredients ready. Start by cooking 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain and rinse it thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, boil 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes until they are tender but not mushy, then dice them into half-inch cubes. Don't forget to finely dice 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion for that essential crunch. Now for the heart of our salad, the dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of yellow mustard until smooth. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Finish by seasoning with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of paprika for a touch of color and warmth. This creates a perfectly tangy and creamy base. With all components ready, it's time to bring our salad together. In a very large bowl, gently combine the cooked macaroni, diced potatoes, and the finely chopped celery and red onion. Pour the creamy, tangy dressing over this mixture. Carefully fold everything together until all the ingredients are evenly coated. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to fully meld, creating that authentic deli taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.